Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3079 Lake Road on beautiful Lake Ontario.
This is a marvelous waterfront estate on nearly 2 acres with an architectural gem of a main house and a guest house with 310 feet of pristine waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and guests to this absolutely stunning grand entrance, featuring a 2-story staircase, custom moldings, and a beautiful tile floor. Enjoy relaxing or entertaining in this spectacular great room, with a spacious living and dining areas with 2 fireplaces, elegant wood custom moldings and beams, with a custom granite bar and more. Opening to the hallmark of this special home, this spectacular sunroom with a wall of glass, tile floors, and those amazing lake views.
Enjoy preparing gourmet lakefront meals in this designer cook's kitchen. With custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, Korean countertops with a breakfast bar, a butler's pantry, and an adjacent mudroom with wainscoting and custom built-ins. The first floor also features an executive office with crown molding and designer tile floors, a great potential additional bedroom with an adjacent updated full bathroom.
The excitement continues upstairs with this very private and spectacular lake suite, featuring a spacious walk-in custom closet, elegant spa bathroom with custom dual vanities, shower and bath, a fireplace living area, and grand bedroom with custom cabinetry and a wet bar and elevated lake views. All with access to this one-of-a-kind deck that you can see miles. The Lake Ontario views are just breathtaking. The second floor also features a laundry, bath, and 2 other spacious bedrooms, one of which is a guest suite with a back staircase. The architecture and craftsmanship of this idyllic and grand compound includes a main house and guest house, with adjoining courtyard, all with lake views.
This is stunning, open-air, waterfront entertaining, with a scenic guarded room with a vaulted ceiling and a built-in bar with a folding window. Only what you see at the trendiest spots in town. All open to an entertainer's dream courtyard with multiple sitting and dining areas, complemented with exquisite landscaping and a custom fire pit. Enjoy entertaining all day and into the night.
Your guest will enjoy this ultimate guest house, featuring a loft bedroom, laundry, bath, and kitchen area, all with a 2-story living area and those amazing lake views.
This waterfront estate is situated on nearly 2 acres for ultimate privacy, featuring 310 feet of pristine shoreline with an extremely rare permanent dock with a boat lift and a jet ski lift. A waterfront viewing deck for the dramatic sunsets over the lake, and steps to the stone beach, perfect for swimming and enjoying the lake lifestyle.
This property features stunning evening lighting. Enjoy nautical reflections off the water from every angle. This estate is just breathtaking, day or night. Nearby this property is the charming hamlet of Pulteneyville, with easy access to Rochester and the entire western New York region. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3079 Lake Road on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!